What's up, y'all? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. So, long story short, we was doing a PS5 raffle. This man, Bradley, won the PS5. Congratulations.
Thank you.
And as a gift to him, have you ever been in a right-hand drive car?
No, I haven't.
This is your first time?
Yeah. Especially Skyline too. So.
Oh, okay. Well, shoot. How far did you come from?
Fresno.
Fresno?
Yeah.
You drove 3 hours?
3 hours. 3.5.
Fucking Fresno?
Right?
Whoa.
I mean, he drove from Fresno. The least I could do is let you. I don't know if you've ever been in one of these. You probably haven't.
No,
I don't care if you haven't. But today I care because you're going to say I have. So
go.
I'm going to give you a little ride in this. It's not very fast. It's whatever.
It's all good, man. It's been a while since I wanted to be in one. So
I'm gonna warm this car up. I got you, Brad.
All right.
Put that PS5 in your car. I don't want you dangling around. Let's give this man a little ride, because I got to test the car anyway before I go to the track. So, where we at right now? 39 degrees Celsius. I got to wait for it to get to about 70. So, we'll see. First person to test out this new setup.
No shit.
Like my girlfriend's driven in it, but I haven't done no dumb shit with her in the car. And she's like, why haven't you taken me? And I was like, oh, you damn near live with me, so you're fine.
Go anytime.
Damn, you said you had a C6?
Yeah, I sold it. I'm working on a 69 Chevelle right now. Mercedes 4-door
With the 5.3?
No, 13B. Or sorry, we have a 5.3 and another one is 76, 13B, and a 75. But I have an issue with the wiring harness and.
Have you talked to wiring? Have you tried to get something from Wiring Specialties?
No, like I said, I was trying to focus a little bit more on one thing, So that's my issue. It's running out of money at the time, really. Mysteriously, the sides of the box were broken. Like, why are the sides of my box broken? I've heard about that a lot, especially like Texas and Georgia.
Yeah, it's no bueno, my man.
Yeah.
So I'm just happy you got it. What you plan to do with it?
Gifting.
Huh?
Gifting.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's nice. Somebody else gonna get it. You, nephew, niece, daughter, son.
Nephew.
Oh, he gonna be happy. He gonna be happy. At least somebody gonna enjoy it.
Yeah.
That's my main thing. And it's Christmas. Is he gonna have any games to play?
Or get something, most likely like Cyberpunk or something.
Oh, they just took that off the PS5 store.
Oh, did they really? I don't know. How much boost you running this?
I think it made Yeah, so I'm gonna take this car to Laguna Seca, drive this mud, make sure like this is like this whole thing is to make sure like this is kind of a shakedown because I was supposed to be at the track today, but I spent my money on Christmas presents.
Oh, shit.
So Narina, if you're watching this and it's past Christmas or before Christmas, just know those Skechers that the bank called me about, I really got you some Skechers. Bank called me yesterday talking about there's a fraud detected in your account from Skechers USA for $200, and I was like, well, yeah, I'm just fucking, bruh. Yeah, if you're free that day, if you want to, because Fresno, how far is Fresno from Salinas?
2 hours.
Oh,
Not that
fuck.
bad.
If you want to come out, watch some racing.
Yeah, dude. Bro, this car was down since March. Oh, yeah.
March, and then it got back running in October. And as soon as I started driving, I was like, oh my God.
How much you say you're pushing again?
633.
633.
At 24 pounds. So it's safe enough to the point where it's not a lot.
Yeah.
Anything over like 6, I'd say like over mid 6s, low 7s, like you start to break stuff like transmissions and
What tires are you running on this?
right now I'm running R888s and 305 square.
Oh, so it's not taking so well.
It better.
I know, right?
But I'm gonna switch to Falcon. I got Falcon 660 soon.
Okay.
Try those out for the track. Cause no offense to these tires, they're expensive.
Oh yeah,
So
drop the blades.
And the tread wear is dummy low on them. So you figure 200 at least with the Falcons, I can kind of drive it around and be okay. So what do you think about Skyline so far?
I love it, man. I've always wanted one. Price tag's a little scary, but
You're gonna have it, and when you're ready, we'll be here for you.
So I gotta focus on one project at a time right now, so we'll see.
That's why I'm glad I just have this for now. Wait for this car to go so we can launch up the street that way. Just in case the car just does something silly. I don't want nothing to happen to this car or you. You are my main concern. Take this this truck. I'm all in the middle of the street just making a U-turn. Well, that concludes our day of ride. Thank you for being here for this.
I'm honored. Thank you very much. That was awesome.
Experience.
All right, thank you very much, man. That
Thank
was
you.
fucking awesome. Hell
Thank you for coming out, Bradley.
yeah.
We appreciate you. Hopefully this thing wasn't in photo mode, but man, I'm super happy about this car. Congratulations again.
No, this feels good, man. I like it. I really like it.
He likes the car, y'all. He really likes it. Laguna Seca, January 2nd. Me and this car will be there. Then I have to test out the launch control for a future thing that we're doing on the YouTubes with those people that make me do things with burnouts and stuff. Thank y'all for watching. Now I gotta edit this. We gotta do it. We gotta do it.